Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you. Oh yeah, this is Porometesto paint thickness gauge for the car. This is Porometesto up to 2000 micrometer coating thickness meter. We have two modes for measurement and calibration: data export storage, 0.1 micrometer, RAS point depth cork, 2 inches color rotating screen, and auto FE and NFE detection. Because this paint depth gauge automatically identifies Fe, aluminium, and metal, NFE, substrates without manual switching. The device is specially designed for metal substrates and is not suitable for plastic, carbon fiber, or wood. It is ideal for detecting heavy paint on car bodies, bolt holes, and industrial steel structures to ensure accurate readings. Equipped with a wear-resistant probe, this coating thickness gauge delivers the great stability across up to 2000 micrometer range. It features a high resolution of 0.1 micrometer and 1 micrometer to accurately detect minute changes in a powder coating and the anodized layers. With a measurement accuracy of plus minus 3% plus 2 micrometer, it ensures a reliable result for a professional task, from measuring paint on the curved bumpers to verifying films on the machinery. This paint meter offers more than just a single scans by displaying a real-time statistic, average, max, and min of the last 10 measurements in continuous scanning mode. User can quickly identify uneven spraying on hoods or thickness variations on industrial furniture powder coatings throughout the statistical data. This method reflects overall process quality better than a single point measurement. This digital thickness gauge features a data hold function to lock readings after measuring in a deep engine bays or narrow gaps. It is equipped with a Type-C interface that supports exporting 30 sets of storage data to the personal computer for generating professional inspection reports. This capabilities is perfect for creating check reports for used car sales or quality control logs. This MIL gauge comes with the FE and NFE calibration foils and substrates for 0-point thickness calibration before work. Operators must ensure no dust, wrinkles, or regulations access between the standard sheet and the substrate during the use. We press the OK key allows the user to clear the history calibration records easily as well. And this automatic paint gauge boosts the 2-inch large color screen that supports an auto rotation for positive reading regarding the holding angle. It includes a unit switching, language selection, time settings, sound adjustment, low battery reminder, and auto shutdown mode. Factory reset and formatting options. These features meet the needs of both DIY enthusiasts and professional quality inspectors. This it is, because this you can see, is your car really new maybe, or it is repaired? Make this with a Porometesto paint thickness gauge for cars and so on. Please subscribe me. Give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Thanks for watching. Sun Sun!